Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. Have you ever felt that, irrespective of anything that you say to your children, whether in a loving way or in a very amazing, peaceful way, your children doesn't listen to you, and in fact, they are little bit arrogant, and then you feel little bit painful, frustrated towards this relationship that you are a parent and children need to listen to you, to follow you, and in spite of you being so good to them, they are not listening to you, or maybe the things are out of control right now and you feel so painful, hurt, angry also in situation because of them not giving respect to you. You feel that you are disrespected at times. You feel so something weird in yourself, that why is this happening to me? Why my children are not listening to me? Why are they so arrogant? Why are they so angry towards me? So let's remove all these doubts, painful hurts by doing Ho'oponopono for our children and remove all the negativity towards it, and just feel relaxed when you do it, and see, when you do it again and again, by doing this you will feel change in yourself and also in the relationship with your children. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the things, negative things that is happening between me and my children. I'm sorry, dear universe, for attracting this arrogance, this disrespectful from my children to me. I'm sorry, my dear children, if ever I have created this feeling that I am not available for you or I am not good to you, and that makes you feel so frustrated or angry. I'm really sorry for it. I'm really sorry for you, dear children. Whenever there was a time that I had to listen to you and I was not available, or I was not being able to respond you in a lovely way, in a loving way, and in fact I have responded you in a very harsh way, I'm really sorry for it. I'm really sorry, dear children, if ever I have caused you any hurt or pain because of my words, because of my action, that has made you feel that my mom or my father is not giving me that love, care and attention. We both are really sorry for it. Please forgive us if ever we have misunderstood between you and me. I'm really sorry for it. Please forgive us. Please forgive us that I have doubted you at times. Please forgive us that I could not understand you. I could not support you when you really needed me. Or maybe in those times I was so busy that I could not pay attention to you. I'm really sorry, my children. Please forgive me for all the negative things that are happening between us. Please forgive our misunderstandings. I'm really sorry for it, for the verbal communications that releases all the negativity in us. I'm sorry, my children. Please forgive me. Thank you for still being with us, and thank you for the hope that we are going to change. Thank you for being part of my life, and thank you for who you are. I respect you, and I would always love you, support you, care for you, and promise that I'll be there whenever you want. I will support you, I will listen to you first, and not react in a harsh way, harm way, and guide you if there is some negativity happened. I'm there to guide you, there to support you, there to understand you. Please forgive me, and thank you, my dear children. You are diamonds to me. If ever I have caused any miscommunication, the verbal communication that you didn't like, I'm really sorry for it. Thank you, my dear children. You are just amazing, doing amazing. I have full faith in the universe that you are doing amazing, and you will just be a rock star in your life. Thank you. I love you. I love you. You are who you are. And I love that you are a rock star. I believe now that you are a rock star. And this phase is just temporary. So thank you for being there. I would love you. I would love to understand you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love myself. I'll always put an effort to love in every situation and listen to you, care for you, and always be supportive in everything of your life. With this amazing thoughts, I'm sure that I will also change and you will also change, and we will both together evolve and have a beautiful relationship where there is only love, understanding, respect, and lot of care for each other. So my dear children, I promise that I'll always love you, support you, and no complaints, and let the time go. Be who you are, and whenever there is some negativity, I will just concentrate on the lovely things you are, and how you've been before this. So, thank you, dear universe, for giving me this guidance of Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, my dear children. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my children. Take a deep breath. Release. So, when you say these beautiful words for your children, instead of concentrating or instead of focusing on the negative thing that they have told or any argument that you have been facing in the recent times, just think that whenever this happens, you just see their beautiful faces and react as if they are just doing wonderful in their life and see the magic happening. So I hope this helps. This video helps, and please come back again and watch this video whenever you feel low in your relationship with your children. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.